Welcome back. Since his ascension to top-tier dancehall status in the mid-2000s, Elephant Man's career has been inundated with personal issues, tax evasion and rape charges, and a series of rumors. But despite all these career-killing distractions, the energy god of dancehall manages to keep his career afloat and joins us right now, right here on stage.
Winford, do it, no man.
Energy.
Do it.
Why you look too happy, you know? You look too happy for some of these rumors that we're hearing to be true.
Well,
but anyway,
tell you.
have you been deliberately keeping a low profile?
Well, it's like, not really low profile. It's like, you want to Winford. It's like, remember we party a lot, so I feel like, say,
yes.
Me over my studio work, where I go on, me still there. So I kind of not go out for like the last past 6 months. You understand? Because you don't know, me have court case I go on, so I just want the fans them to say right now. I kind of take my thing serious now, you know? Where instead of, I kind of laid back my personal life thing and I put party and happiness and certain thing in front of it. I'm still happy, but I kind of put on my foot and I take my thing them serious. Because if me a party, I go late for court, so I not too want to do that. And then at the same time, I have to take my music recording part serious because right now with the dance hall, the thing look good. And I just live in the studio where I record and a lot of shows.
So there has been some adjustments in your lifestyle, in how you live?
Yeah, well, like 80 and the whole thing I come up back. So right now, I plan for chipping back my party mode Wednesday I come. I start party back. Officially, this wedding next week, Wednesday.
Next week.
Yeah, this weekend I'm off to Buffalo.
Okay.
I'm off to Buffalo and Atlanta. Performing in Buffalo and Atlanta. College show at Buffalo, Atlanta. Then, when I forward back Monday, Wednesday, I kick it off already. So, this is my party mood start back. So,
all right. Last time we talked, right?
Yeah.
You're on stage.
Yeah.
Your tax woes.
Yeah.
Alleged JPS illegal connection.
Yeah.
Those two issues were resolved.
Yeah. Well, as I said, put down a foot, deal with everything.
But the rape charge, you were still battling the rape charge?
Yeah, that's the one we're still in front of the judge with. Because you don't know, Winford, we don't want it just dead and then the fans say, boy, it did happen. We want them say, and we want justice come out of it and say, where Elephant did come on stage and tell Winford say, him innocent and not never go, so it was true.
Okay.
You understand?
So you're still confident that you'll be
Yes, so it's still in front of the judge.
You were also over the AIDS rumor.
Yes.
That gone now.
Yeah,
that was gone.
Yeah.
But then there's a new one.
Yeah, well...
There's a new rumor. And let us tell our viewers, the viewers who don't know about this new rumor. And this is mostly in the social media, Twitter, Facebook, and so on, about you harboring homosexuals on your property. Respond.
Well, I just come from Barbados. Me, Bounty Killer, I do not there Barbados. Reggae in the hill. Carry my daughter, nice, come back, good. We cook some food over the studio and, Q45 come and say, Elephant, look here. And I say, I want now. Q say, you see how people wicked? So I say, what? Elephant man, gardener, my gardener say, him say, elephant and 6 person from the gay community or whatever, in him pool, swimming. Elephant now, me, Winford. Let me take off me. Me. Elephant.
Yeah.
We are elephant, energy god. Well, out of them things, let me try to show you how people wicked. Why them not write something good about dancehall? Why them never say, we love our Elephant Man, buy a house out of music and we're proud of our artists, them, Ellie have a nice pool. If them want to come borrow it, me lend them the key, them go swim, me not have to go there. Me go want another one them and go and chill. So, you understand why somebody's going to do that? And the girl, first of all, big up to Zip. Big up to Zip, the management. Big up to Mr. Chinim Pass away. Big up to his son. Big up to all DJs at Zip. Big up to Zip. Big up to the manager. Big up to all DJs at Zip. No disrespect to them. But you see the little dry-eyed girl over there will get up and put that on the internet about Elephant. I don't know what kind of problem she have her yard. But these are the things where them take artists the idiot. And it's like, when you do that now, when you try blighted my career, suppose me, I did one of them artists the way me I go see and me I go want step to a certain way. You can't do them things there. time and things and times too serious. You can't ramp with people them way there. You understand? So you know the reputation when me have already and know say, yo, them always do them things there. So you go get up and come do them things there now when you don't have no proof about nothing about that. You don't try call my manager, you don't try call me. Elephant is the easiest person to find. We have a big studio, it colorful, round at Dunbarton Avenue or Burlington where you
Q45.
Q45. So what kind of disrespect that?
So, have you received an official apology from the
That's what I
station?
asked for. I said that I want an official apology to make my fans them know. So listen me, we're tired of this rumor thing. Go find a different artist pick pan. Yeah.
So not even close goes to Elephant.
Winford.
Not even close.
Winford. Close.
Eh.
Winford, me, Energy God, we're born to kill a boss. You know how our thing go close. My good house, my nice blue, nice pool where me have to pay how much money every week to make my water clean and nice, me to come contaminate my water, me to come mash up my thing. Listen to me, Winford, nothing like that. There was disrespectful thing me I say, and this girl need to do a public apology. Make the fans them and everybody knows her right now. You wanna? Nothing like that. You understand?
Okay. All right, so okay, let's bring the fans now and the whole world up to date. And the career now.
Yeah.
Where is the career? Because in spite of all these rumors and all these woes, tax woes and stuff, you manage Elephant Man to stay on top of things.
Yeah, we're mucho right now.
How do you do it, by the way? First of all, how do you manage?
The grace of God, Winford. The grace of God. Well, Elephant Man, I'm talented. That's one thing. You understand? You see where we take it. You see where we take it right up there. So you see we carry it overseas. You see we carry it crossover. You see we get DJ for the years numerous of times. So you see we get millions. Me and you hold up and me number one them can't count. So we did it. And Elephant is that talented. You understand? And you don't know hard work. You understand? And me is a God-fearing person. Me always a pray to Father God. No matter what them say, no matter how them try bring down Elephant, no matter how them fight. Me try pray to Father God, and the best thing, you know, I go ball and make people get to you and show people your weakness and make them feel like, say, that's your weakness where them talk things, you drop and ball. You go work, you know, follow people. One thing me tell you already for your show, and I'm going to say it again. Never make a rumor about you be true. You see, anytime it's true, you're in trouble because you can't run from God, you can't run from the truth in a life. No man can run from the truth. So here we now, me just take it to the studio, take it to the pen and the paper, and here what me love now, Winford. The music, I've been overseas working. You don't know Orlando about. I do some shows and the music nice.
And you have no limitations.
No limitation. I'm hearing about the
no visa issues.
No visa issues. I'm hearing about the dancehall rhythm them in the dancehall overseas right now. Best of the best coming up next month in Miami. That's one of the biggest reggae dancehall show. They may try should it out with hip hop, but we're going back for it. So tell the hip hop man them said this year Energy got them dip on it. So
and it's the original dancehall now. The distinction has been made again.
Jabba get back in himself and Imam Boda Folk and he say that's what made best of the best, the authentic dancehall. So it's
so
back
the hip hop thing gone now. The hip hop dancehall artists and hip hop rhythm done.
Dancehall artists and hip hop rhythm done. Well, if them want collab, we'll go on it.
And
we DJ, we dancehall melody and we verse them and we bring it to life and whatever. But for we, and more time, we play around like the rhythm will say, I've been looking for you, Asian. I'm up in a new Bugatti. The rhythm there, it hot for the summer. So sometimes the Jamaican dancehall DJs them, we do all a one tune pan it, but we do a dancehall tune pan it.
Yes.
You understand? I know me name flip it. So more time, me could have said, we have girls from creation, girl, you know, nation, Puerto Rican, Asian, Bayesian. You know, go here with.
Freestyling right here on
stage. Do it, man.
All right, okay. Yeah. Okay, Ellie. So talk a little bit for me about your success with the Harlem Shake. Is it as big as reported?
This is what me like. It's like me see dancing, coming on music, and me have to big up Vice Mail them, cause you know say Craig, I'm a little son where my grow toddler brother. I from so him say spare them and me live for come say him come, you know, make him mark and things. So big up to O'Neal same way. You don't know, my friend for life.
Same.
Big up to the short thick one. Me not to remember him name. God go with him. O'Neal, do it. And it's like dancing, the happiness in music. I don't know why people have problem with dancing more time, but the happiness in music and the people them just dead the music are going until everybody come and just say, Harlem Shake. One man from China come and say, bump, 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 and some man, the man get the biggest views in history. Never Michael Jackson did it. So that's what's showing you that nothing can beat happiness and nothing can beat. Nobody no want to go out and hear a song where say them stress and rare. The people them broke, them go out for party. When for them wife go, we not go out for you in a song about stress and oh, the man they dead round there. So me go out for party, me want party. So play the song that make me enjoy myself. Nobody come here with no problem song. Come make my party, me pay me whole heap of money for party. So Harlem Shake now come in place where everybody has say Harlem Shake. The Star Paper call me and say Elephant Race. So me just do a song. Me get the rhythm. And when I get the rhythm, I call the man when I make the rhythm a foreign and him say, Elephant, it's okay, do your thing. I'm going to do it. I want to do Harlem Shake are the biggest thing. I'm going to give God thanks. Mwah, shizzle.
What are the numbers?
The numbers?
Yes.
1 million views, man. What you do to me thing, man? What you do to me? Remember Energy God, man. Don't do it.
Number one.
Stop it now, Winford. Stop it now, Winford.
No, all right,
it released 1 week. It released the first week when it released, and I did the video and it released. It went number one. It went number one Canada, New York. It went number few in Europe, England. It on the top 8 chart number few. It on the top 8 chart all over the world. And it's like them blast it and we beat it out and we blast it to everybody's phone and show them say we still have the music them where a top 15 chart one time. And that was so cause Upon the River and them song they used to do it. Yes. And that shows the dancers still can do it. Just make we keep it happy and just
talk about your link with hip hop. Because you've penetrated the hip hop community. They love you a lot in there.
Yeah.
Where are you now with hip hop?
Well, where am I now with hip hop? When them see me, them buck them to and drop. Still I run me down, still a Energy God, still the yellow and the red here have them going on. Look, John is like this, Usher, Chris Brown, and you don't know when them still keep the link. But as we say right now, the power of dancehall to how it's like media Jamaica. Usher send for me say more me and him go on tour. I go. Chris Brown again, him see me, run me down, drop one car nearly run over him. Him manager have to slide in front of the wheel. I say, Chris, don't see reggae dancehall artists and run us down like that. Elephant, I say, come. I took him to Bob Marley show in Ocherios.
Yeah.
I needed to find Elephant Man and Chris Brown performing on the Bob Marley One Love show with Rihanna, me and all of us. We did it in Ocherios. I bring him to that show. Rihanna was on the show, but Chris wasn't Bill. I told Junior, I told Steve Marley I'm bringing him. Steve said, Elephant, I said, no worry. Me I carry him just, and me and him perform. And it's like the way them say we perform, the energy, even Puffy. Me the backstage and when me see everybody I run down Puffy with there, and the whole of down away near me a full limelight. Puff that they come to Jamaica and ask the Elephant Man. If you show them bad mind and wicked, he want to link Elephant. You know what them tell him say? Don't go near Elephant. Elephant have elephant charge rape and elephant this and elephant that. Oh, really? This is how them wicked in music. Puff Daddy now, when me I do at 97 show, Puff Daddy come backstage, my security nearly choke him because me tell him say, you have to wait. Me tell them, let in Puffy. Puffy come look for O'Neal Bryan. Tell me say, him want sign me. Sean Paul was in the room, Junior Gang and Kip Rich. When me go up on stage, me say, watch me and Puff Daddy. Elephant Puff Daddy at 97 on the reggae tip. Puff Daddy came out his seat. You know, when him come check me, him and Chris Tucker, they want to come in a Jackie Chan show, them and kick down the people them. When him come check me, I say, go in your seat, watch the best show you ever seen in your life. Him say, everybody tell him to go sign Elephant. This kid is crazy. When I'm on the stage, I saw him with an iron beat in the side of the stage, and I make forward. I say, lock off the light, dance all, and everybody take out them cell phone. You know what I did? I stopped the show, and I called him on the stage. And when him come on the stage, I called 2 big fat girls who was over 1,000 pounds. I said, Puffy, we're gonna lift them up, and because Puffy, me give him back the whole of the street creds there in Brooklyn and everything, because you know what Puffy not to got them money long, so not to do Brooklyn again like that. And I hit them talk about Part 97 for 1 whole month straight. It's when Puffy, me never know, say him no lift up fat girl. Because through him rich, me I say, well, them rich man and I have no lift up. A girl lift up him. When me say Puffy, yeah, so me and him, they like, oh, me there, so. Me say, no run come, and the fat girl run and jump on me. When me I fight with mine, him lift up him and gone, and I run and I say, hey, and me I say, Jesus, please. So, at them to them, I try to show you the talent what we have. It's too humongous. Jamaican people for know. And know say energy got this. We did it. When I run the place, we destroy the place big up.
It's all right. What are you going to destroy in Jamaica?
Right now, for the summer, it turn up. Right now, last year, my dash water and it's like, me and Loving there, we did back a new one name. I read in the paper, them say Jamaica have drought. So Loving there started when I say, well, the winter gone and the summer is on. Water party make we start it. Who no one get wet fi gwan. And then me come in and say, to the amount of water we show, them say more na reservoir low. All when we get up, not afraid fi get wet up. No hide when water at show, Winford water party a do it. We pull the hydrants down the streets in a beach because you don't know summer is on. So big up to Loving there and look out for the video. Right, just me I come premiere it first.
Ellie.
Shizzle. Hold on, before we move Winford, we have to just say, you know what, something good for go right? Tell Julian to go write the Bounty Killer beat him charges. Write something good in the music. Just go write up something good and stop Fred with my pan people and leave me alone now, alright? Shizzle, big up to my fans, them. Love you now. Good.
All right, there you have it, the energy god right here on stage. Winford Williams, on behalf of all of us, thanking you for joining us. Do join us again next week for more On Stage.
The fire hydrant full, that's why I go sweet. Look out the road full. Girl in a wet t-shirt, no half in a bull. Turn up heights and Appleton, make sure the igloo full. Water truck man a come. What's this on that till it a bun? Chicken all a roast in a drum. Ready to go increase the fun. You stay this and up like you're dumb. Wet them up. Tell them come out and we wear when we are dash water. Them must they think we are play when we have splash water. It's like we there at Juve when we are dash water. All who don't want to obey. We dash water, we top over ya so we top over the party. We dash water, we top uncle, sister and grandfather. We dash water, water gun there yo, no we no shatter. We dash water, tell me who after the water warrior. From the summer start, beer pool party, straight flashing, every man to a shotty. No come tell me about the glad party, the girl there I know and I get naughty. Badness out of style, I take them screw face man, they check team, but check them. Come here in a brand talk about Louis, make them steer my